Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you all the details on this look. Yes, this is some gray hair and it is my first time trying out gray hair and I absolutely love it. So I've been trying a lot of color lately, like, girl, I am doing the most, but I love it. So in my previous video, I did purple and in this video, I'm doing gray. So we're just going to keep it going, okay? And then, you know, I just added a little bit of hair jewelry as well. But I'm definitely going to give you all the details on this hair. Now, I have featured this hair on my YouTube channel before. I did it on my daughter, and she had it all in the color black. So definitely check out that video. I'll have it linked in the description box below. I also tried out a new braid pattern. So this is my first time trying out a zigzag braid pattern. I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks all around in the video, but definitely we'll be trying this braid pattern again in the near future. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Now, if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you'll get instant alerts anytime I upload a video. So today I got the gray Freetress braid, BOHO hippie braid. It is 22 inches in the color gray, and this is how the packaging looks. Alright, so just to take it out of the packaging, this is how it looks. Alright, so that color is showing up a lot better once you take the packaging off. Alright, so the only difference in this crochet install is that I'm trying out a new braid pattern, and I'm definitely curious to see if this is a braid pattern that I would like to do going forward. But it's definitely piqued my curiosity. I've seen a bunch of videos on YouTube and I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try. So I'm going to try it out with this hair and we're going to get started. Okay, so here's an up-close view of my zigzag braid pattern. As I mentioned, this is my first time trying out this braid pattern and I think it came out very, very well. So in the front, I just did the zigzag braid pattern, and in the back, I kind of freestyle and I only use my hands to part my hair in the back. As I mentioned in my previous video, this is how it came out. Okay, so going into my install, I am going to use the normal crochet method. So I'm just going to insert the crochet needle, attach the hair, close the hook and pull it through. And then I'm also just going to use my crochet needle to complete the pull through of the hair. And I don't like to use my hands for that method just because the loop on this crochet hair is pretty small. So it's just best that I use the crochet needle for the entire method. So once I've pulled everything through, this is how the hair looks. So as you can see, I went off camera to finish the rest of the install. I originally purchased 6 packs of this hair and I added about 10 single black strands in the back. Honestly, for a full install, I recommend you purchase about 7 to 8 packs. Alright, and then just here I am standing so you can see the length. So I am 5'7.5" and this is how long the hair is on me. Alright, so I went off camera to complete my makeup and I also started to add some jewelry and string. Now the blue string is from an old hoodie that I purchased a long time ago, and the pink string is from some fabric from my daughter's old dress. Now I figured I'd just save a little bit of coin, avoid having to go to the store, and use what I have on hand. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm just adding the pink string. And just to secure the pink string, I went ahead and just tied a knot. And to finish it off, I cut off the excess string with my scissors. Alright, and with that, my install is complete. Here's an up-close view of my zigzag braid pattern with the hair installed. I absolutely love the zigzag braid pattern, as I mentioned earlier, and it's just nice to step away from the traditional crochet braid pattern and try something new. And here is a look at the other side. So if you haven't tried this braid pattern out, I personally recommend you give it a try. You can expect to see this braid pattern from me again in the future. In the next few clips, I just show you different angles of my install, and you can expect a few hair flips as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with all of your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.